I wish I could look like that. But working out? Ugh. Who has the time or energy?
Sun is shining, the weather is sweet. Make you want to move your dancing feet.
Back when me was your age, me had to work hard fi every little thing. Sun hot, sweat a drip, nose run like river. But guess what? Me reap the sweetest yam and the best mango. Nothing good come easy, child. So, if I want something good, I have to work for it. Grandma was right. If you want something good, you've got to put in the work. Runny nose and all.